Here we have an 85 Honda Magna 500 being dismantled for parts. It will fire up on ether because there's no gas in the tank. Appears to be in decent shape. Just rust on the forks and the headlights and stuff. Fork seals appear to be gone. With the key, the headlights, turn signals will work. It has 7,015 miles on it. We do have the seat and the rear taillight assembly.